Guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be playing Squarebird, and I have been playing a little bit of this off camera just to get a feel for it, get used to how the game works. Oh my gosh. I need to be focused, guys. Can't be talking to you, sadly. Bam, okay. This is like one of those very concentrating games that I will be very bad at because I'm very bad at concentrating and tapping super fast. Yeah, super high. That solves everybody's problems, right? Just get super high. Whoa. Yay, I made it! Later. I'll rate you later, game. Can't tell if I like it. Oh my gosh. I don't care. No, I don't. I totally don't know what to do with that. I know how to hit the exit button, though. Oh, I just barely hit my head on that. Woo! I literally got that for no reason, though. Ooh. I want all of you. Oh, you can only open up a certain amount. Dang it. Okay. Yay! I got a brown chicken now. Oops. I'm gonna try to get to level 10, guys, and then end it there. Perfect. Perfect. Let's go. Whee! Now I'm on level 6. Okay, I don't care. Whoa, I'm doing flips. Whoa, that's so cool. You know what I like to do? I don't like to do flips, but I like to hit the exit button on dumb ads like that. That I don't care about. Woohoo. And made it. That level was easy. Okay. Dropping. Oh, dang it. I should have went underneath. I had enough to go underneath. Oh my gosh. There are so many friggin' ads. Can I please just run over somebody? Yay. I like to act super bad in games like that. They let you play. I don't know why. It's just something that I like to do. Just act super bad. It's like, oh, I'm garbage at this game. I'm garbage at this game. That what game I'm garbage at. I need to go super high. Just start going high. There we go. There we go. That was perfect! Oh my gosh, could there not be one freaking ad? Peach. How does this look like a peach to you? Apple. I guessed an apple. How was Scribble guessed an apple? Yeah, that was super accurate to an apple game. Okay, I don't think that I'm going to make it to level 10 in this video, but yeah, guys, be sure to like if you enjoyed and subscribe if you are new, and I'm just gonna keep on playing this game, so yeah. Oh, I might actually make it to level 10. Are you kidding me? I killed myself when my, ultra thingy was happening. Are you kidding me? Woo, what's the goal? Do you dump all of them out? What? Oh, am I trying to make a heart? This game is actually kind of cool. I actually low-key like it. That game's actually kind of fun. Okay. Cool, perfect. I just can't stop playing the game. This game's fun. Okay, guys. I made it to level 9. I get another one of these. Yay. Okay. This is the last round, I think. Oops. Woo, I did it. Guys, I super focused right there, but yeah. Love, peace. Bye, guys.